Don't vibe code blind. Do these 4 things. After I started using them, I was able to build with vibe coding in a more structured and predictable way. I knew exactly what I wanted, and instead of improvising, I learned how to debug and fix issues faster. The whole process became way smoother, and building app is a lot simpler now. Stick around and I'll show you the 4 rules and the exact prompts I use. Let's go. Don't start from zero inside the VibeCoding editor. Do plan a PRD with ChatGPT first. When you have an idea of something you want to build with VibeCoding, don't just jump headfirst into the VibeCoding platform. It will make you waste time, credits, and you will end up with half-baked features. Instead, go and write a PRD, a product requirements document, using ChatGPT or whichever AI you're already using. So, what is a PRD? A PRD is the document that explains what you're building, the purpose, the target users, the core flows, success metrics, and the edge cases. Product managers, designers, and engineers use PRDs to align on what to build and why. It becomes the single source of truth for the team. Of course, most of us here are not product managers, designers, or engineers, but we still want to act like we are, because we want to build the product as professional as possible. And if you're thinking now, but I'm working solo here, why would I need a document like this? So you actually do work on a theme. You, the VibeCoding platform, and obviously ChatGPT. You want the AI to understand exactly what you envision, so it will build the product the way you want. This level of details will help the AI understand and build the right product for you. So let's move on to the practical part. How to create a PRD with ChatGPT. Start with writing your idea in plain words, what you want to build. Then ask the AI to ask you deep clarifying questions about the idea. Let the AI dig deeper and ask you follow-up questions. That helps the AI to understand what to write in the PRD. And even more important, it forces you to understand how the thing will work, behave, and look. This process brings insane clarity. You will suddenly find gaps you never thought about. That said, the AI might ask you questions you don't know how to answer. That's fine. You can stop, ask the AI what it meant, and ask it to explain you step by step, like you're a noob. Take the pressure off. You don't have to create the perfect PRD on the first try. Treat the AI like an expert product manager. Consult with it, iterate with it, and refine the PRD together. By the way, if you want a ready-to-use prompt to just paste in your idea and run it, just click on the link in the description and follow the steps to get it. So, to sum it up, do all the planning with an AI that is not the platform you will build on. That saves expensive build credits, and even better, it will make you understand how the product behave and look before you start vibe coding. So, what do we do next? Don't dump one huge prompt of the whole product into the VibeCoding editor. Do break the product into pieces and send one feature per prompt. When you throw one giant prompt into the VibeCoding platform, it tries to do all at once. It can give you an output that is long, messy, and hard to control. And you focus on fixing things that could have been tiny wins. Instead, take the PRD you wrote and split it into smaller focused prompts, and ask the platform to generate one feature at a time. Here's why small prompts beat the giant prompt approach. Better accuracy. Large complex tasks make the model juggle too many things. Break the work into clear mini-tasks and the model focuses. The result is clearer with more relevant code for each piece. Faster iteration. Small runs means smaller feedback loops. Run, test, fix, and repeat. You will get to a working result much faster than rerunning a monster prompt and guessing what went wrong. Easier debugging. If something breaks, you only inspect one feature. Going over everything you build at once to find why something doesn't work can be a massive time suck and a headache. When you break the product into features and send one feature at a time, fighting bugs becomes much simpler and far more targeted. That way, it's just simpler to find the bug and fix it. Alright, let's move on to the practical part. Step 1. Copy your PRD into a master doc you can always return to. It can be Google Docs, Notion, or whichever works for you. This becomes your single source of truth. Step 2, ask ChatGPT to break that PRD down into prioritized MVP and create a focus prompt for each feature. Tell it to start with the most critical user flows first, and then move on to the extra polished user flows later. I recommend you to check if what it suggests makes sense and if it aligned with your PRD and how you want the product to behave. Step 3, for each feature, paste in the single feature prompt into the VibeCoding platform, run it, and test the results. Step 4, if this feature works, great, you can move on. But if it's not, debug and fix the feature before you move on. You can also document the prompts you've already sent to the VibeCoding platform, so if you leave the project and come back later, you will have everything recorded. And I've also put the exact follow-up prompt to break a PRD into per feature prompts in the link in the description. Alright, next app. Don't resending the same VOG fix this prompt when a feature fails. Do use VibeCoding's chat or discuss mode to find the issue. If you have used VibeCoding platform, you probably know that frustrating moment when a feature breaks, you don't know why, and you keep asking the AI to fix it over and over and over and over again, and nothing is changing. It's annoying, and that's exactly why what I'm about to say matters. Instead of resubmitting this VOG, fix this request over and over, or looking for the needle in the haystack by yourself, switch to chat or discuss mode in the VibeCoding platform and talk with the AI about the issue. Most VibeCoding platforms have this discuss mode or chat mode, which is not changing the code at all or rebuild something. It just gives you answers. Ask the AI to walk you step by step on how to check and fix the issue, and consult with it for possible solutions. This gives the AI the context it needs, and when you want to apply a fix, the chances it will work are way higher, and you will get there much faster. Okay, one final, small but important point. Don't connect external data tools yourself if you're starting out. Do pick a VibeCoding tool that already has built-in data management so your app and data live in the same place. If you're just getting started and you want an easier path, use a VibeCoding tool that already has a built-in data management inside the platform, instead of wiring up an external database yourself. For example, the VibeCoding platform Base44 already includes data management inside the platform. That means when you build your product there, you're also building the data model and storage inside Base44. That saves you from paying for an extra tool and from the headache of connecting two different systems. So especially if this is your first project, I recommend starting with Base44 and skipping the unnecessary headache. If you're not sure how this looks in practice and you want to learn how to build with Base44, check out one of these two videos next.